Alright YouTube, I'm back real soon. I finished mowing today and we'll be in. It runs great. It's just lugging more than it did last year, I guess we'll call it. And I never put plugs on it when I bought it. The guy told me he had put electronic ignition on it and it runs really well, and it's still running really well. It's lugging a little more than I think it ought to with this grass load I have on it. And I don't know if this is my problem or not, but I went today and pulled the plug and it looks pretty good. This is the number 4 back here. But my stuff says 28 to 32 thousandths, and I can't find my feeler gauge, but on my spark plug gapping tool it's 25 thousandths. Won't really fit in there, so I'm going to pop them all out and see if maybe that's part of what's going on. It's probably also time to put a set on it, but I'll nurse these for the rest of this season. That one's not quite as tight. The other thing that always was weird to me about this tractor is whoever put the coil on it mounted it up on the head rather than here on the distributor drive, where all the ones I've ever seen were mounted. So I believe I'm going to move that today. If anybody can tell me what was there, that stud looks like it goes all the way through the head. Not a lot of oil weeping out of the lower one. I don't know what's supposed to be there. But if you do, let me know. Now I can get to 3 and 4, or 1 and 2 rather. Alright, so I made the always smart choice, put all the tools up before I made sure everything was working. I do think she looks better with the coil where it's supposed to be, even though it's nowhere close to the correct coil. But let's see if she'll fire up. Out of gear, obsessively check. Let's see what we got here. It's my favorite thing about them when you cut them off. That little burbling and the cooling in them, I guess is what it is. Alright, YouTube, thanks. We'll see you again next time at Mel's Place.